Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to divide in base 6. So we have 455 412 in base 6 divided by 52 in base 6. So first of all, let's prepare our division chart table. We have 52 times 0 equals to 0 in base 6. 52 times 1 equals to 52 in base 6. 52 times 2, 52 times 2, we have 4. 2 times 5 is 10, 10 in base 6 is 1, remainder 4. So we have equals to 144 in base 6. 52 times 3 equals to 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 in base 6 is 1, remainder 0. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16, and 16 in base 6 is 2, remainder 4. So we have 240 in base 6. 52 times 4 is equals to 52 times 4 is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 in base 2 is 1, remainder 2. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. 21 in base 6 is 3, remainder 3. So we have 3, 3, 2 in base 6. 52 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 in base 4. Base 6 is 1, remainder 4. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1 is 26, and 26 in base 6 is 4, remainder 2. So you have 420, 424 in base 6. Let's go back to our question. So you have 4, 5, 5, 4, 1, 2 divided by 52. So 52 divided by 4 cannot. 52 divided by 45 cannot. 52 divided by 455. So come to your chart and look for the number that is under 455, or number that come before 455. So when you look at this one, you have 424, which is 5. 424, that is 5. 5 times 52, you have 424. You subtract. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So 55 divided by 31 cannot bring down 4. 55 divided by 314. Go back to the chart tables and look for number that is under 314, or the number that come before 314. So here we have 4 is 332 is more than 314, and 3 is 240. So you have 3 3 times 52, we have 240. So minus 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 4 cannot borrow 1 here. Call it 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 52 divided by 34. You cannot bring down 1. So 52 divided by 341. Come here, have this one is 321 is more. This one is 331. So this one 4. Now 4. 4 times 52 is 332. So you subtract 1 minus 2, cannot borrow 1 here. Call it 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So this one remains 0. Thus 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 52 divided by 5 cannot bring down the last number. Is 52. It's 2. So 52 divided by 52 is 1. 1 times 52 is 52. So subtract, you have 0. So your final answer is 5341. So your final answer is 5341 in base 6. Let's look at another examples. Let's look at another examples. You have 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3 in base 6 divided by 4, 5 in base 6. Let's prepare our division chart table. So you have 45 times 0 equals to 0 in base 6. 45 times 1 equals to 45 in base 6. 45 times 2 equals to 45 times 2 is 2 times 5 is 10. 10 in base 6 is 1 remainder 4. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 in base 6 is 1 remainder 3. We have 1, 3, 4 base 6. 45 times 3 equals to 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 in base 6 is 2 remainder 3. 2 times 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 in base 6 is 2 remainder 2. 2 2 base 6. 45 times 4 equals to 45 times 4 is 4 times 5 is 20. 20 in base 6 is 3 remainder 2. 6. 5 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3. 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 in base 6 is 3 remainder 1. So you have 3, 1, 12 in base 6. So 45 times 5 is 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 in base 6 is 4 remainder 1. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 in base 6 is 4 remainder 0. We have 401 in base 6. So now go back to our answer. See our question. We have 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3 divided by 45. So 45 divided by 2 cannot. 45 divided by 23 cannot. 45 divided by 235. So come to your chart tables and look for a number that is 235 or that comes before 235. So when you look at this one, you have this one is 312 cannot. This one is 225 is less than 235. So our answer is 3. 3 times 45, you have 2, 2, 3. So you subtract. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. So 45 divided by 12 cannot bring down 2. 45 divided by 122. So you come to your chart tables and look for a number that is 122 or that comes before 122. So when you look at this number, this one is 135 and this one is 45. So your answer is 1. 1 times 45 is 45. So you subtract. 2 minus 5 cannot borrow 1 here. Call it 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. This is 8. So this one remains 1. 1 minus 4 cannot borrow 1 here. Call it 7. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 4 is 7. Minus 4 is 3. So 45 divided by 33 cannot bring down 4. 45 divided by 334. So we come here, look for a number that is 334 or come before 334. So we have 312 is less than 334. So our answer is 4. 4 times 45, you have 312. So you subtract. 2 minus 4 minus 2 is 2. And 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 45 divided by 22 cannot bring down the last number, which is 3. 45 divided by 223 is 3. So answer is 3. 3 times 45 is 2, 2, 3. So when you subtract, you have 0. So your answer is 3143. So is 31 43 in base 6. Thank you for watching.